Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A54 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find password and security. Then let's tap on the fingerprint, and if you've got the screen lock currently applied, you will be able to recreate all my steps. If not, you have to add it right now. So let's do it. And now let's tap on register. So here we've got the instructions. All we have to do is to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the power button on the right side of our device. So let me do it. And right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part for better recognition. Okay, we just successfully added it, so just tap on OK. And there we've got all fingerprint management. So this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it if you want to. Add another fingerprint. You can decide if you want to unlock your device with your fingerprint just by using the switcher unlocking method. So you can either touch the power button while the screen is off or touch and press it, and I think this first option is much more comfortable. And there you can also customize the fingerprints. So let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. Let me put my finger on the sensor. Let me position it properly. Okay, and the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.